Under Tools on the left menu, you'll find the Ranking Discovery tool and Keyword Suggestions tool. In this area, you will also find the PRT API documentation. If you have API access, you'll find the documentation here. Let's start with Ranking Discovery. Ranking Discovery helps you discover keywords that you're already ranked for and may not know about it. You can use this tool to add them to be tracked on your ProRankTracker account. Once you're in, you can select a single URL. And see all the findings. It shows you everything that ProRankTracker found that your website is ranking for. It doesn't mean that it's everything that it ranks for online. It's just some of the ranking keywords that it found for your website. You can search the results, move between pages, and select how many records per page to show. In the table, you'll see the term itself, the keyword, rank, and a range of its position to give you an idea of where it ranks. Once you add it, you'll see the exact rank, device, type, search engine it was found on, language and location if applicable, the local search volume, the global search volume, and when it was discovered. You can use sort by rank, for example. Find some keywords you're interested in, and then add them to be tracked. You can see that the terms were added to the URL. Now that was for a single URL. You can also go to the Multiple URLs tab. Here you'll find a list of all the URLs and the discovered terms for each one. We can filter the page by selecting groups and only some URLs to show. For example, we can add terms that we like in multiple URLs. All you have to do is click Add at the bottom. See how many terms it will be, and it will be added. Now let's check the Keyword Suggestions tool. From the left menu, click on Keyword Suggestions under Tools. This tool takes the keywords you're currently tracking and suggests new keywords based on your current ones. When you enter it, you can see a list of your URLs. You can select one of them, then choose the terms you want to base the suggestions on. You will then get a list of suggestions, for which you see the suggestion, the term it's based on, and the local search volume. You can select the suggestions you like, and add them to be tracked. Once you've done that, you will enter the Advanced Add form. You'll find that the URL and the suggested terms are already in the form. You can now set all the parameters you want, like the tracking type, where to track it, and everything else like when adding new URLs and terms. Finally, click Save.